Hello everyone. Today we talk about modal verbs. The front part of one of those was hanging out as though it would fall off. I will participate in the match. I can run fast. India might win the match against England. It might rain in the evening, so we can't play cricket. We should respect our elders. I must take my brother to the stadium. The underlined words are modal verbs. Modals are the helping verbs which express the mode or manner of the actions indicated by main verbs. The most commonly used modals are modal verbs: shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must. Used to, need and dare, ought to, ask permission, may, can, could. May I join in your team? Could I use your bat, please? Express a possibility. May, might, could. It might rain today. Give advice or suggestion. Should. You should wear shoes. Express necessity or compulsion. Must, have to. We must win the match. I have to practice because tomorrow we have a match. Make a request. Can, could. Could you please give me our coach's telephone number? Express prohibition. Must. You must not talk loudly in the library. Now let's observe the table. Modal verb: can, will, may, shall, must. Past form: could, would, might, should. Negative form: cannot, will not, may not, shall not, must not. Past form plus not: could not, would not, might not, should not, must not. Choose the correct modal verbs from the box to complete these sentences. Must, can, fill? Wood. You dash enter the stadium if you have a ticket. We dash attend the classes without fail. We dash submit our projects on time. Dash you like to have a cup of milk. We dash win the match next week if we practice it every day. You can enter the stadium if you have a ticket. We should attend the classes without fail. We must submit our projects on time. Would you like to have a cup of milk? We will win the match next week if we practice it every day. Some situations are given below. Read them and respond suitably. The teacher has distributed you all the textbooks and notebooks. Your bag is heavy to carry home. You ask someone to help you. Response: could you please help me carry this bag? A friend has just come to see you at your home. Offer him or her something to drink. Response: would you like to take a cup of tea? You are at the bank. You want to fill a form, but you don't have a pen. How would you ask the man at the counter for a pen? Response: could you please lend me your pen? You are sitting in a crowded bus. You notice an old lady standing near you. Offer her your seat. Response: would you like to sit in my seat? Your friend has helped you to locate your missing book. Thank him or her. Response: thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.